Updating your legal name on OKX is a straightforward process that ensures your account information is accurate. Follow these steps to complete the update quickly. Step 1. Log into your OKX account. Access your OKX account by entering your credentials on the official website or app. Ensure you are using the correct login details to avoid any issues. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings section. This is typically found in the profile menu or under account management options. Step 3. Select name change option. In account settings, look for the option to change or update your legal name. This may be labeled as name change or update personal information. Step 4. Provide required documentation. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SRAC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Submit your request. After uploading the necessary documents, review your information for accuracy and submit your name change request. You should receive a confirmation email once your request is processed. Once you have completed these steps, keep an eye on your email for any updates from OKX regarding your name change.